Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get this new hair in Heartopia. It doesn't cost a lot, but you're just going to go to Dorothy's shop. It is right over here. Then you're going to go up these stairs. Then you're just going to go to the mirror, press this button, go to hairstyle, and scroll all the way down until you find this. There's one new feminine hairstyle. There's also a bunch of new ones here, but I'm just going to purchase this one. It is the bangs with low bun. You can color it to whatever color you want. Purchase it, 6,000 gold coins. Confirm, and this is what it looks like. Super cute. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.